Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a challenging thing you have done. You should say when you did it, why you did it, and explain why you thought it was challenging.
One of the most challenging things I have done was completing a 10-kilometer run. I did it last year in the fall as a personal goal to challenge myself to get fit. Before starting the training, I had not run more than a few miles, and 10 kilometers seemed like a long distance for me. But I was determined to complete the run and set a goal for myself to finish it within 60 minutes. To prepare myself for the run, I trained for about 6 weeks. During the training, I faced many challenges such as muscle cramps, fatigue, and a lack of motivation. However, I kept pushing myself and followed a strict exercise and diet plan. The day of the run was a bit overwhelming for me. There were so many people, and the energy around the event was electrifying. As the run began, I had to pace myself and ensure I did not start too quickly. The first few kilometers were relatively easy, but as I reached the halfway point, my legs were starting to feel sore. I kept reminding myself of my goal and pushed through the pain. Finally, after 58 minutes and 20 seconds, I crossed the finish line and I was thrilled. I felt a sense of accomplishment and pride for achieving my goal. I thought the run was challenging because it required a lot of physical and mental strength. It was not easy to train regularly and stick to a strict diet plan. Moreover, running the 10 kilometers required a lot of perseverance and determination to complete the distance. But I am glad I did it, and it taught me a lot about setting goals and pushing myself beyond my limits. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.